Hello everyone. Preparing for and taking exam is a stressful time for many of us. Stress or anxiety or worrying is a normal and necessary thing when we face with a situation where we have to perform. Anxiety is vital basically if we are going to be able to do our best. However, too much anxiety can cause us a lot of problem and may stop us from doing our best. What are the causes of exam anxiety? Fear of failure, lack of time to prepare for exam, bad experiences taking tests in the past. Today we are going to see 6 tips to cope with exam anxiety. These 6 tips will help you keep anxiety at a level where it helps you rather than hinders you. The first tip is clear your room and desk. Have you heard the saying a cluttered desk is a sign of a cluttered mind? The more clutter you have around your study room, the less you are able to concentrate on preparing for the exam. This is because your brain is focused in so many distractions. Physical clutter overloads your brain and impairs your ability to think, which leads to stress. So you need to clear your desk and your room and get them well organized before you start to study. The second tip is think of a happy memory. When you feel stressed, think about your favorite memory from your childhood or about something you did as a family recently that was fun. This will help you to calm yourself. The third tip is prioritize your time when revising and make a revision timetable. Prioritizing your time, subject, workload and preparing a timetable will help reduce your anxiety levels as you will be able to ensure that really important stuff is covered at the right time. As you progress through your revision, tick off the topics that you have completed. This will give you a small sense of achievement knowing that you have finished something and you are making your way to the finish line. The fourth tip is do mock exams at home. One of the most common reasons for feeling stressed ahead of exam is not being sure what to expect in the exam, such as what questions you are likely to be asked and how best to approach answering them. The best way to overcome this is practice. Practice by doing mock exams and past papers. Find past exam questions for your course to get an idea of what topics have come up in the previous years. It is helpful to try tackling mock exam questions on topics you are less confident with so that you can prepare plans and practice answering them in case they do come up in the exam. The fifth point is improve your exam time management. It is also common for students to worry about time management in the exams. If you are concerned about running out of time at the end and leaving questions unfinished, practice by doing mock exams and past papers. In particular, use these practice exams to get yourself organized and work out how long you should leave yourself to plan answers in the exam and how long you should be spending on each section of your answer. If at first you find yourself unable to finish your answers on time, keep practicing until you get the confidence. The sixth point is exercise and eat healthy. Sometimes the idea of exercising during times of high stress feels like the last thing you want to do, but I guarantee you'll feel better afterwards. In fact, you could even have a bit more energy to do an hour more revision afterwards if you are feeling up to it. A common mistake many of us make during this crucial period is to eat poorly and unhealthy. Junk food, lot of chocolate, energy drinks are often eaten in place of normal meals to keep energy levels up. However, this is not only harmful to your long-term health but can also negatively affect your exam performance. Therefore, avoid junk foods and eat natural healthy food. You will pass if you have done the work, and if you don't pass, it is not the end of the world. Remember that there is a life after the exam. Things might seem intense for a while, but they won't last forever. Follow all 6 tips correctly to manage your exam stress. Good luck and thank you.